Hello, welcome to this segment of Biology Bites, and today I'm going to be focusing on some key factors you might be able to look at when you're on a new body of water, or maybe a body of water you fish once in a while but you're not having too much luck finding out what the bass are about. Now, having a background in fisheries wildlife, if I was hired to do a study on the lake, one of the first things I would do is look for some key factors. Obviously look for the type of cover, look for the weeds that are there, see what kind of bait fish are there. And then I might go into more oxygen content in the water, acidity, spawning grounds, content of the bottom. Today I'm going to be focusing on the baitfish, the threadfin shad to be exact. Now, a little background in them. They live to a maximum of about 4 years. They reach sexual maturity in their first year, and they'll be about 1.5 inches long. And they grow to a maximum length of just about under 8 inches. Now, if you're on a body of water that has a healthy bass population and you see a lot of shad in the lake, most of the shad you're seeing are a good 5, 6, 7 inch, like big ones, or you observe some floating dead, but they're all big. Well, that might be an indication that shad is not the primary food source for these bass. I mean, you might look for fishing for bluegill patterns or crawdad or maybe trout, because if these shad are all reaching their sexual maturity and their full length and their maximum lifespan, and they're not getting picked off very much. Now the opposite is, if you're on this lake where there's a lot of 1.5 inch, 2, 3 inch shad, then that's probably a main food source for those bass, if there's a healthy bass population. Because these fish aren't living very long, they're getting picked off, so that might give you some indication of fish maybe more where the shad are. Use a shad colored bait, use a similar size, that sort of thing. So it's just a little key factor you can look at. And like I said, especially if you're on a new lake or a body of water where you see a lot of shad, but the pattern of the shad just doesn't seem to work. If they're all big, that might be a reason why. I mean, sure, they'll eat them, but they're just not focusing on them. So I hope this helps. Until next time.